Good morning students, this is Mahendra, lecturer in mathematics. Today we are going to discuss physical application chapter. In this chapter we have one of the most important question. Let us discuss that question. Each side of a square increases at the rate of 0.3 centimeter per second. Find the rate at which the area of the square increases when the side is 8 centimeters. Also find the rate at which the perimeter increases. Okay, in this question given that each side of a square increases at the rate of 0.3 centimeter per second. Let us assume this is a square. The side of a square is x. Okay, here the side of a square is increases at the rate of 0.3 centimeter per second. That is called as a rate of change of side. Okay, if a side increases, then also area also increase, perimeter also increase. Okay, so we have to find out in this problem the rate of change of area and the rate of change of perimeter when the side is 8 centimeters. Okay, let us discuss that solution. Let x be the side of a square and a be the area, p be the perimeter of a square. Okay, given that dx by dt is equal 0.3 centimeter per second, so we have to find out the rate of change of area, that is dA by dt is equal how much, the rate of change of perimeter dp by dt is equal how much when when the side is okay 8 centimeter, when the side is x is equal to 8 centimeters. Okay, now area of a square is the formula is area of a square formula is side square, side into side or side square, we can written as x square. Okay, differentiate with respect to time, with respect to t on both sides, we get d by dx of a is equal d by dx of x square. Okay, derivative of x square in the form of derivative of x square, that is derivative of x square is equal to x. Here differentiate with respect to t of x square, so we can written as 2x into dx by dt. Okay, derivative of x square with respect to t is 2x into dx by dt. Okay, therefore dA by dt is equal to 2 into 8 into x is equal to 8 centimeter, that is side of a square, dx by dt, that is the rate of change of side is 0.3. okay, 2 8 is 16 into 0.3, that is 4.8 square centimeter per second. This is the area increases at the rate of 4.8 square centimeter per second. Now find dp by dt. Okay, now the formula, perimeter of the square is 4 into side, that is 4 into x. Okay, differentiate with respect to t on both sides, we get dp by dt is equal 4 into d by dt of x. Okay, therefore dp by dt is equal to 4 into dx by dt. Okay, dp by dt is equal 4 into dx by dt, that is the rate of change of side, that is 0.3, 4 into 0.3 is 1.2 centimeter per second. This is a perimeter increases. Okay, the rate of change of perimeter is dp by dt is equal to 1.2 centimeter per second. Okay, this is the required solution. Prepare very well. Thank you.